What is going on, everybody? We are at the house right now, getting ready to go to the coast to do some amazing fishing up at the coast right now. We're going with one of my friends that we met, actually, that supplies our B&B hats. His name is Jake. We're going up there to meet him, to do some awesome fishing for you guys, to get y'all some content. We're also here with Zach, the man, to get some fishing with. And so hope y'all enjoy this video. It's going to be super duper cool. And if you haven't seen, got the hat on, just came in a couple of days ago. So if you want to go get one, if you like this hat, we also have multiple hats that we're doing too. We got the hat on, we got multiple colors, we got a camo, we got a digital camo. They're in the store down below. Go check that out. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned, guys. It's going to be crazy fun, crazy exciting. So stay tuned.
We are gathered here tonight to create love through the medium of music. Yes, indeed.
What's up, everybody? We're rigging up Wyatt's rod. Wyatt and Wyatt. Hey, what's up? What's up? Yeah, this is we just met him today, so we're hopefully gonna get some good fishing in with him. And I'm rigging up his rod right now, and he's gonna cast it out there, and hopefully we're gonna catch a big fish, and hopefully I'm gonna get it on video for you guys. So stay tuned for the rest of this video. It's gonna be a really good.
It like went up.
Oh, there it goes. Alright guys, so right now we got the big light up there. We got all the gear right now in the back, stuff like that. We got the fishing poles. The wind might be a little bad, but I'll probably edit that out. We got all the trash, and just in case we're gonna throw something away, we got the trash bag over here. We got the ice chest. We're fishing right off this bridge right here, so it should be really good fishing. And we're basically gonna stay here for the night, camp out. So we're probably gonna get some fish here in a little bit. We're gonna give the light an hour or two to warm up and get some fish in there. Hope y'all enjoy the rest of this video. Stay tuned.
Yeah, I think so.
Let me see. Holy moly, that's a monster.
Oh, it's pregnant.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
How in the world do you know? Hold on. How do you know? How do you know?
See that orange sack under it?
Where? Oh, okay.
That means it's pregnant.
All right, put her back.
I thought she'd be good.
Well, I thought we'd be eating good tonight.
Yeah.
Where there's one, there's more.
Yep.
Do not want to touch it.
Ooh, crabby.
Ooh, crabby.
Dude, we got something huge. I don't know what it is.
Heard it.
Oh my goodness. What is it?
Up.
What is it? What is it? Oh, it's a fish. It's a fish. It's a hardhead. Oh my, no. It's a hardhead.
I might go slap him on the grill.
It's a big one.
Oh, yeah.
It's a good
Oh.
one.
Biggest damn hardhead
No,
I've
that's
ever
a
seen.
hardhead.
We're eating that thing.
Wait, is that your bait? That fish?
Oh, yeah, it is.
Yeah, that's a bait. Holy smokes. That thing took it in.
That's a big hardhead. Oh, you might want to try to eat them.
Yeah, that's a eater for sure.
Thank you for ladies.
Guys,
Yeah.
first
Guys,
ever.
No, you don't really eat hardheads. But
Yeah, you don't, but for the film, for the footage, catch and cook hardhead. That's what we're doing.
Catch and cook hardhead.
And with Josh as a cook, we could probably do anything. Dude, that was crazy.
God.
Real good, but we can try. Put him in here?
Yeah, that's fun. I guess. Oh shoot,
Holy
ran out of
cow.
storage.
Just 2 hooks.
What? Not again. Alright, everybody. It's morning 2 here. It was a little, or morning 1, it was a little rough this morning. Zach's still sleeping over there. He's in the cot right now. Got the truck, everything. We have the pool subbed out, and I went to go check them this morning, and there was a tangled mess, guys.
Gonna get a little bit of coffee this morning, get myself waked up. Hopefully we can catch some fish this morning. If not, I mean, I don't know if I'm gonna keep fishing today. Hope y'all stay tuned for the rest of this video. And yeah, I'm gonna have some coffee, so I'll see y'all guys in a little bit. But little munchers. Wyatt's got one right there.
I got the biggest
I'm gonna throw these on whole on the fire. I don't know. Okay, I guess some B-roll. All right, guys. So we're packing up here. Getting all the stuff. We're headed out right now. Probably gonna go to Jake's place, and then so we're gonna put everything in the truck. Got the fishing poles right over there. Get everything loaded up. We got a couple of catches for y'all. I'm gonna go show y'all those really quick. Let's go see these catches here. They're kind of far back there, but so we got some trash fish because that's all we really couldn't catch here. We got the catfish, and we got all the mullet, and we got some crab, 2 crabs, a couple of mullet, nope, 2 crabs. Oh wow, that crab's bigger than that crab. Yeah? Yeah? Yep. Alright. They're both female. Yeah. You can tell. It's this area right here. If it was a male, it would be just right here, and then a little tail kind of right there. But this big base plate is a sign it's a female. Oh, okay, that's cool.
Because that's the place where the babies are.
Yeah.
How they like it.
Yeah, we're gonna be headed up to Jake, so hope y'all are enjoy the rest of the video. Stay tuned.
All right, guys, we're on the ferry right now. We're ready to go. Post-hurricane Harvey. Jeez, it's kind of bad down here still. Going in the gate. Heck. Gate. Alright guys, so we're here right now. We got Jake's aunt is and we got more stuff in the back here. I'm gonna go show y'all a little tour of the house here. So I'll go film more inside there. Here we go. Pretty nice in here. Close the door there. Got the kitchen over here. Couches, everything right here. We got the back area, a little weedy, but that's alright. TV, buckskins right here. Nice little skins. We got the bunk beds. Oh shoot, I'm up here. Zach's down there.
I'm up here.
No. You getting out, Wyatt? Oh, sorry. I didn't see you there. Thought you went out Zach's side.
Yeah.
Holy, there's a lot of ants there. I think you can handle it.
I don't care.
Oh. All right, guys, we got the crabs. The crabs. We got the crabs. Hum, 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 hum. Pinchers right there. 2 of them. Let's see here.
Sightings.
Those are gonna be good eats, boys. Everybody's gonna get a claw and everybody's gonna haul. I don't know what these are for, probably for finning.
This musky motherfucker.
Alright. Now let's see here. We're gonna take out our, ooh, that's slimy. Ah, son of a bitch. We got like paper towels, Zach? There's one. That's a go. Oh man. Alright, that one's probably a little bit too small. Here we go. This is an eater for sure. Zach, we got quite a few in there to fillet, so let's get started here, Chief. Yeah, that now here, look. It needs to sound like this when you're done. There shouldn't be any scales left. She looks good as any. Not even fucking.
So, they'll get ya.
The meat looks good. Fillet one, wash it up here. Some of that water.
Not too much.
You can drazzle a lot. There we go. There's still bones in there. Actually, Zach, look at that. That doesn't look too bad.
Still got this side.
There's not even any bones in there either.
I know, that's why I said there's no bones.
Looks good. Put that on some ice. Right there. Got some sardines. And here, that way we can close the ice chest here. Alright, crab. Crab's gonna be good. Let's get this other side cleaned up here. Let's wash the fish off. General. Is it alright if we just throw these little scraps? I think all the animals will come and get them. Yeah. Here, can you wash it off? So I can, that way it's not all dirty. In here. Oh, Jesus. Got the fish right there, just cracking them open and we're putting them. All right, and then we're gonna cut it and put a stick of butter in there. So hopefully that will make it really tasty. Oh, there they are. Blind as a bat. All right, watch this sec. See what we're gonna do is we're gonna take it here.
Let it melt.
Yeah, we're just gonna fill each one of them. Just a little bit sliver in each one. Just leave a sliver right there. Alright guys, so we got the pot right here. Crab right here. We just threw the sardines in the oven right there. They look good. We put some butter, some lemon pepper, and some, ooh, that smells really good. Then we got the butter on the grill right here. Yeah, let's not let that overfill.
I'm all natural.
Oh, I think he's still alive.
They look like tenderloins from a deer.
Hey, wake up.
Crab.
This one? Dead? That one's dead.
Oh my gosh, and then memory low. Alright, we got the fish, it's all finished up. Jake, this is actually really good.
Yeah?
The catfish, yeah, it is so good. So Zach's gonna do a little taste test here. Let's see what he thinks about it.
How do we taste?
It's a little piece. Just a little nugget.
What is going
Hey!
on, fellers?
Alright guys, so the catfish obviously was good. It's all gone. We ate it all. Best freaking fish, guys, by far. Phenomenal fish. We're down to 3 mullet here. Zach's gonna give you all a little rundown on the taste test. What do you think it tastes like, Zach?
Well, it's about my third bone, so
Yeah.
I'm gonna go with pretty good.
The third fish right here. Wyatt just devoured 2 of them in one sitting. So obviously the mullet's really good, guys.
January, Patterson, UTI laws. And we knew when that was going on that they didn't care about so they
You just like get.
They're still hot.
They're still hot.
I don't know if that,
Oh wow.
I don't know if that,
Okay, and these triangle looking things right here, these are the lungs, and they're poisonous. You do not want to eat them.
Oh, those are the lungs.
You just pull all that off.
I would have eaten those.
I know, they kind of look like,
exactly like me.
they do. You're gonna get all those cleaned out.
if they ever got a hold of that.
You're gonna break the face and everything. Oop.
Oh,
And basically get anything that doesn't look
normal.
like you want to eat it, yeah. This is basically the inside of the cavity, so once you get that, so that's all your trash.
Mm-hmm.
And then you can break these and start eating
Oh, the little stuff in there.
the white meat.
Ah.
You can kind of push it and pull it like that, and then that's your meat. You know, see all that white
Yeah.
meat right in there. That's it. It's a lot of work for a little reward.
It's really good though.
Yeah.
I put in some seasoning, like when I was boiling
It's
the
like
water.
the leftover.
I put in all the seasoning that we didn't use.
But these,
Isaac, try some.
that's what you need to look.
Where?
Remember.
What happens if you did eat a lung?
I mean, I don't know. You can look it up, and I could be wrong, but that's
Yeah.
my dad told me that years and years ago. And he's, man, we don't eat those. So I
Don't eat
took his
them.
word for it.
Yeah.
I don't eat them.
Where it originally placed for.
Looks like.
Maybe he's just trying to get more. All right, what's going on, everybody? At this time, I'm filming the exit video or the conclusion for this video. I forgot to film it back in Corpus when we were at Jake's Ranch. That'll conclude this video. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure that you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button. And make sure that you guys go check out the merch and the link in the description. Merch here, merch here. We got an extra special gift for y'all. And before we get to that, we're gonna say we restocked these hats in the store down below, so make sure you guys go check them out. They're restocked. I like these hats the most, so make sure you go check them out. And we're also, guys, getting these in. They have our logo on them soon. If you want one of these, we'll have them in by the next video, which is going to be a week or two from now. Sorry I haven't been posting. The Mac has been just trash. I'm going to have to go buy a new one. Make sure y'all guys go down below, check out our merch in the description down below. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave in the comments down below what you guys thought of this video. Stay tuned for the next episode, guys. There's an episode 2 coming soon. It's gonna be banger. We're gonna go to this creepy barn and it's like haunted and everything. So we're gonna show y'all that clip too. Make sure you guys stay tuned for the next video and go down to the link in the description to buy some merch. So stay tuned.